extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Haskell County in west central Texas, northeastern Jones County in west central Texas, northwestern Shackelford County in west central Texas, central Throckmorton County in west central Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Boca, or near Stamford, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Stamford Marina around 5:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Irby around 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Throckmorton around 5:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm included S 183 near the Throckmorton, Baylor County line and the intersection of S 380 and Highway 222. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.